In this video, I'm going to show you a full demonstration that combines a lot of the things that we've done so far. So we've created a tag, we've created a form, we've created a sequence, and we've created an automation to tie all of this together. So one of the things that we created was this form here. Now, if I come to this page and I put my email address in here and I click subscribe, a couple of things are going to happen. First, it's going to take me to the thank you page, and this could mean anything. This is just a pretty stock standard, thank you page there, just for the purpose of this example. And what should have happened, and it may not happen instantaneously, but it'll happen hopefully in the next minute or two anyway, is that should trigger an email to happen. Okay, and the email is going to come in here. This is a demo email account that I've got. So don't bother emailing me here because I won't actually see it. But in here, in the next minute or so, we're going to get the sequence. The first email in that sequence is going to arrive. And if I just click on here again, and if we come to forms and landing pages, we can see some of the stats of things that are starting to happen here. We should be able to see that the form has had an impression and it's had a conversion. And just give this a second to load here. This is the form that we were using. As you can see, it says it's had 2 subscribers, and these stats are going to properly start updating once we start using it properly. Right now we're still just testing. Then if we have a look at the sequences, we can come over here and we can see the demo sequence has had 2 subscribers. So that was one that I just did and another test I had previously done. And if we look at the automations, we can see the demo automation here. And if I click on this, you can see it says 2 total subscribers. If I click on this, we should get more information specific to this automation. So here you can see that the tag has been applied to both people that have come through this. So I'll show you one of them in a moment, and the other was a test. And the demo sequence is still currently being passed through by 2 people. Remember, it's a 4-day sequence. So the people that are currently doing it, they're going to take 4 days to complete it, and then it'll show up there in completed. If I jump over to my email, you can see that the first sequence has now landed in the inbox, and this is what it looked like. It was just the default stock standard email that we saw inside of ConvertKit when we were setting up the sequence. So just to give you an overview here, what's happened is we have set up a tag, and actually let me go and show you that. If I come in here and I come back to the homepage, I can actually search for the subscriber that I just looked at. If I search for that subscriber, we will be able to find that subscriber. And here you can see that subscriber. And when I click on that subscriber, I should be able to see that it is now subscribed to that tag along with a whole bunch of other tags that I use for this demonstration. So there's the demo tag, okay? And so that means the tag has properly been applied. So if we just recap what we've done, we originally set up a tag, we set up a form, we used that form, and when we opted into that form with the email address, we were put into a sequence, and that sequence was automatically sent out to me, and a tag was automatically assigned. Okay, so that wraps up this video and shows you how the process works from start to finish with this kind of a setup.